So good morning, guys. It's your boy Manny. Today is Monday morning, so today's vlog is going to be all about Monday. What I'm going to be doing today is just taking you guys through my normal Monday. I'm going to prepare my meals right now. I'm going to do I'm going to go to the gym right now. It will be 9 in about 20 minutes, so I want to get there by 9:30. Yeah, so I'll go to the gym. I'm gonna do two workouts today. So I'm gonna go to the gym right now, come home, eat, and if I have time later on, which I will go to the gym again and probably do more cardio. Remember, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna walk you through on the meals I eat, what I do today. Little things here and there. I'm going to try to keep this vlog short, not like the other one. I usually don't like to go past 10 minutes. Anything past 10 minutes to me is like, whoa. What's up, guys? Look, I'm preparing my breakfast. Like I told you, I always have a protein shake with some spinach, avocado, and banana. And I put some peanut butter in there. Add some water and the protein powder and some ice. Boom. This is so good. So yo, check it out. Just meal prepped for the day. Got my things ready. Look, I got my babies. 2 gallons of water. I got, well, this will be my second meal. Either this or this. So whatever. But this is a Quest bar cookies and cream. Awesome. Then we got some Greek yogurt. The reason I buy this is because it's under, let's see if I can focus, it's under 7 grams, I'm sorry, it's under 10 grams of sugar, so it's 7, which is awesome. So I'll either have the cookies and cream or this, it all depends. And of course I got my salad. This is some meat, some carne con jugo. My mom made this, which is very good, and of course my spinach with some feta cheese, and we're back with the water. So no excuse, guys, I can't be slacking no more. So I'm still at the gym. In about 10-20 minutes, I will have my Quest bar. So, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and do some cardio. Still not done. I don't feel this workout. I'm not feeling it today, but I'm here. I'm gonna get through it, and I'll be back later. Hopefully by then I'll feel better, feel more energized. But yeah, guys, I'm about to have my second meal of the day, which will be at about 11. Right now it's about 10:50. So about 11:10, I'll have my second meal of the day, which is the Quest Bar cookies and cream. So here we go, guys. There we go. I'm still at the gym. About to do some cardio. But I will eat my second meal of the day. We're so about to eat the third meal of the day, which will be a salad. It's my alarm system. Yeah. My salad. I'll show you guys. Bam. So this is my third meal of the day. This is my lunch. I am having lunch outside. It's a beautiful day. So you can see it's a beautiful day. We're watching, let's see if you can see what I'm watching. I'm watching some Breaking Bad. I'm eating my fourth meal of the day. I'm eating some yogurt. I'm gonna eat two of these. I have this one. I got this one. And I'm already on my second gallon of water. My fifth meal of the day. What this is got some steak on deck. Got some onions. This I didn't make. Who made this? My mom. So, got some spinach, some cucumbers, and some aguacate. But yeah, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching the vlog today. It means a lot. I don't know if you guys saw my post on Instagram. And if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I posted the last video. I have been posting videos for about 2 months now, and I haven't seen any progress. I haven't seen any drastic changes in my body. Only like body fat has been going down, but no drastic change. I've been hard on myself, but it's not my fault sometimes because I have been slacking off big time. So these next few months I really want to go hard. I do want to see some changes in my body. I want to stay focused and determined. Yes, that's right. So I really do appreciate you guys watching my video today. If this will probably be up Tuesday, which is tomorrow. But again, thank you very much for watching the video. It means a lot. God bless you all. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Again, thank you very much. You guys have a great day and great week. God bless you all. Bye.